Ride with me home. In my two-wheel drive in this winter storm, chat. Right now, I'm on the I-95 heading south. I'm doing 45. I'm adding 40 to that, or else I'm gonna be stuck. It's gonna be a long drive now. Still going. I think we're heading to exit 40 soon. You guys are sacrificing a lot of time, but hey, make that money. I'll be doing the same thing. I'll be doing the same thing, bruh. Make that moolah. We just passed exit 40. Going down, chat. Everybody with your all-wheel drive cars are gone. Have fun, guys. Have fun for me and you. Have fun for me and you. I'll take my sweet little time. I got things and people to live for. Just past exit 39. I don't think you can tell that them plow one side more than the other on the road. People them just a pass me, son. I said, come out to the road with your little two-wheel drive, boy. How you think you're going? You're not going away. I came a far way. Now we're gonna lie, not gonna lie. Exit 32, chat. Should I take this one? Or should I take exit 31, man? Well, 30. That one look like it block off. 32 look like it block off. a strong feeling to not take 32 and take 31. Hopefully I'm correct. I'm hoping I made the right decision. Cause there's a hill up that direction. But I don't know if that hill is if I'm plow it. Cause if not, I can't climb over that. So here goes nothing, chat. Here goes nothing. Exit 31. Here I come. Here I come. Alright. It look like them script. Exit 31 so far. Let's see. All right. Yes, we're going home, baby. We are going home. Road that gets crip, man. All her in herself. Road that gets crip. Let's sink it, you know. Oh yeah, I'm like two to 5 minutes from the house now. So, hey, red light I get run right now, you know. If you ever change, over you my gone. Big tractor in the road. I'm pass, brother. Yep, give thanks. Yeah, people could die now. I mean, motel, all in a snowstorm. They won't a cheat. And people don't have nothing about them. Snowstorm, I'm not gonna cheat. So, chat. You have to sink it up there, look at you there, right here, so. Oh yeah. Make a right turn, yes, sir. Can't get stuck. Let's sink it down up here, so, cause I'm not go fast over the area. I got stuck. And that's how you do it. I turned the chat. I couldn't make that turn there at all. You might just have a look parking and just walk the rest of the journey, cause my day, but it's sticky now. Brother, hurry up and pass, you know, cause I can't get stuck. Chat. Oh yeah, man. Bring me home, oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, man. Yeah. Kobe. Come on, buddy. Come on. Kobe, help.